The Timeless Kustoms Vicious Mustang has returned after a 3-year hiatus in its new 2.0 form to SEMA 2023. Now sporting a new paint job and other modifications, the restomod Ford Mustang was hit by a truck during one of the quarantine cruising events, which damaged the whole left side. This prompted the need for repairs and transformation. The new iteration is a far cry from the Ringbrothers Mustang Convertible restomod project. Still, it stuck closely to the car that debuted in SEMA 2016 as an ultimate pro touring Mustang. It ditched the old matte silver paint job for a stealthier black with silver stripes. The Vicious Mustang started life as an original 1965 model, heavily modified with handmade body panels, leaving the A-pillars and cowling as the last few OEM components of the car. The chassis was built from the ground up on an Art Morrison front subframe with a Corvette C7 front suspension. At the rear, it also gets the Art Morrison treatment with an independent suspension setup, a Dana rear differential, and a 342 SureTrack rear end. For extra strength, it also has a 14-point chromoly cage. The Vicious 2.0 still uses the same Ford Coyote V8 it had in 2016, now churning out 1003 horsepower at the wheels, thanks to its compound force induction system that uses twin 68mm precision turbos and a 1.8-liter Magnuson supercharger. The system is not an OEM kit like what Ford introduced at SEMA, but it certainly gets the job done. To help handle all that horsepower, the engine comes with a Darton sleeve set and other support modifications such as a mainly performance rotating assembly, GT 350-cylinder heads, comp valve train, modular motorsports timing chain, and an 1.75" exhaust with a pair of MagnaFlow mufflers. It also has double intercoolers, plus the engine is tuned on E85. Sending all that power to the rear wheels is a center force clutch and an EMCO sequential 6-speed transmission with paddle shifters that allow for wide-open throttle shifts. The muscle car has Brembo carbon ceramic brakes and RideTech triple adjustable shocks. It also has Forgeline wheels with 19x11 front and 19x14 1/2 in the rear. To help put the power to the ground, the Mustang comes with Kumho 305/30/R19 Viper ACR tires at the front and 355/30R19 setup at the back. The entire cabin is finished in red and has aftermarket bits, such as Sparco Pro 2000 QRT bucket seats and a full suite of Motec items, which includes a harness, controls, and a display. While you can't live out your Nick Cage Eleanor dreams with this Mustang, it's an overall excellent street-legal build that mixes form and functionality well. Everything fits together nicely here, and the modifications have their unique purpose.